4-day class is a great experience. You get a lot of hands-on. You get to see a lot of different products being applied in different ways. But, one of the most important things, and this goes back to in the construction, is to get the prep right. And if you get the prep right, that means the application is that much easier and the final product is what your client expects. The classes are fun, they're interactive.
Very informative.
Yeah, we learned a lot.
Yeah.
We really did. We went to another class in November at another competitor and walked away still kind of lost. Now we feel pretty confident in what we're doing when we walk away today.
And the biggest thing is the hands-on. Like I literally just finished with a torch and clear and literally put my hands on the product so that I now can go home and do samples on my back deck knowing what I know from this class. Today she mixed and I put, wall epoxy on, and then I mixed and she's put it on. So we literally can take what we've done in the last 4 days and go home and do it tomorrow if we chose to.
The owner's great, the assistants are awesome, we love them.
When we come back, not if we come back, but when we come back, we'll be able to see what we've done today in the last few days on the wall, the countertops.